Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up home office expenses in QuickBooks step by step clearly. Start by opening QuickBooks on your computer. Navigate to the settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. Select the Expenses tab on the left side of the window. Ensure that the Track Expenses and Items by Customer option is turned on. Click Save to apply any changes you've made. Now, return to the dashboard. Go to the dashboard and click on the plus New button on the left. Select Expense from the options that appear. Choose the vendor or service provider from whom you purchased items for your home office. If the vendor is not listed, click on Add New to create a new vendor profile. Enter the required details for the new vendor, then click Save. Next, enter the payment account that will be used for this expense. Fill in the details of the expense, including the date and amount. In the category field, choose the appropriate expense account related to your home office. If the expense is for multiple categories, you can split the expenses accordingly. Add a description to clarify the purpose of the expense. Attach any relevant documents or receipts by clicking on the Attachments option. Once all details are completed, click Save and Close to record the expense. You can view and edit this expense later by navigating to the Expenses tab in the left menu. To keep track of your home office expenses, consider creating specific categories or tags. This will make it easier to analyze your spending at the end of the year. Periodically review your expenses to ensure everything is categorized correctly. You are now set up to manage your home office expenses using QuickBooks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.